constant positive reminders benefit us more than we can imagine. Revelation from the Almighty contains repeated reminders, though worded differently at times. They're meant for deep reflection to bring about positive change. Don't be irritated by the repetition of good messages. When you're always making assumptions about others, you damage your capacity to relate to them. You're always assuming you know how they think and feel, so you stop listening and communicating, leading to misunderstanding. Be mindful of this. It can spiral into negative thinking. We all go through struggles in life. Every one of us without exception. So don't feel depressed. Obstacles keep us on our toes. Just because time seems tough now, does not mean it will remain this way forever. Nothing lasts. Focus on the big reward the Almighty has promised. Learn not to tell people more than they need to know. This can be difficult, but be conscious of the information that you choose to divulge. People have no business to know everything about you. The less you tell, the better for you. It can save you from a whole lot of trouble. Making peace with your inner self is important. It starts from the inside first. It could mean mending broken relationships that have been bugging you, strengthening existing ones, or simply making sense of your negative feelings. Let go of resentments. Don't wait. Start now. Don't take anything for granted. You never know when you'll have it for the last time. Life is a precious gift. Cherish every moment while you can. It's truly such a blessing to be alive and to be able to impact the lives of others. You'll never know whose life you're touching. Don't underestimate any act of kindness, no matter how small you think it is. Every act of kindness is a seed. All seeds will grow eventually and produce a harvest for you to reap the reward. Never tire of doing good, and a bountiful harvest of blessings will be yours. Before speaking bad about others, ask yourself, if present, would the person spoken about dislike and become unhappy about what you're saying? If so, then consider staying quiet. It is better to communicate directly with someone than to speak about others behind their backs. Don't be fooled into thinking that everyone is your friend. Just because they hang around you doesn't mean they are your friends. People pretend well. They will laugh with you and joke around with you. At the end of the day, when push comes to shove, they'll be exposed. Take heed.